Okay, I will show it to you, Messi, for 3.1 speaking. Okay, so this one, Messi. Okay, so here we will gonna have people speaking. Okay, so here, let us have this one. Okay, now, first question from teacher. Do you like playing sports, Messi? I
Yes,
cannot hear you. Okay,
yes, yes.
yes, okay. So what is your favorite sport? What
Um,
is your favorite sport?
my favorite sport is basketball.
Basketball. Oh, why do you like basketball? Why? Why do you like basketball, Messi? Oh, sorry, Messi. I need to charge her for a while. Okay. Why do you like basketball? Why, Messi? Because
Because yes, yeah.
basketball is what? It's the best. It's nice. Which one? Why do you like to play
Basketball is
basketball?
nice.
Mm-hmm. Do you know how to shoot the ball?
What?
Do you know how to shoot the ball?
Shoot on.
Shoot the ball. Shoot. Messi. Shoot the ball.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. That's very good. Okay. So at least you know how to shot the ball. Okay. That's good. Okay. So now, what is its type of sport? What is its type of sport?
Uh,
What is its type of sport? Okay. So basketball, is it indoor or outdoor games? Is it indoor or outdoor games? What do you think for basketball?
enjoy.
Is basketball indoor? It means inside or outside?
Um,
What do you think?
what?
Is basketball inside or outside?
It's outside.
Okay, yeah. Messi, we can play basketball outside, but also we can play basketball inside. Okay, so it's inside and it is also outside. Okay, next one, Messi. What do you like playing that sport? Why do you like playing that sport? Why?
Um,
Why do you like to play that sport?
bigger
Because why? Why do you like to play that
because
sport?
because basketball is very interesting.
Very? Well, again, very? What is it? I want to hear.
Very interesting.
Very interesting. Yes. And of course, you can do exercise, Messi. When you try to play the ball, you will gonna have your exercise. Okay, example, you're very fat and you want to get thin. Okay, slim. Oh, you will play basketball. Okay, that's very good of you, right? So by playing basketball, you will become healthy. Okay, that's exercise. Okay, who do you often play sports? Or who do you often play sport? Example, you play basketball. Who do you often play basketball?
It's in my best friend.
Wow, you've got your best friends with you. Okay. So how old is your best friend?
What?
How old is your best friend? How old is he?
Uh, uh,
How old? Is she? How old? 8 years old?
Years old.
The same with you. Okay, now here. Okay, so Messi, these are the different sports that you can see. Okay, so look at that one. What sports not familiar to you? What sports not, Not familiar to you? What sports not familiar to you? Can you name it?
Yes.
Okay. What sport not familiar to you? What sport? It is? What sport not familiar to you? Okay, look at the different sports. So many sports. What do you think is not common? You did not know the sport. What sport that you did not know or not common to you, not familiar to you? Okay, it is. Okay, it is. What sports not familiar to you? What sports not familiar to you? It is. Ganito na. Pink? Hindi, ito mahal. Ima, kasi maigo na ho. Mga umama sama. Mangihi sa kumahal. So, hindi mo mama. Hindi ma, kaunan. Hindi ma. Kapag nabasa ang sili. Ayan, kiss me. Oo, ni katong nabasa, bitaw. Itong galunaw. Sige. Okay. Ano sa manong hilaw? You cover. I need to be sa for a while. Where's your katong hilaw ka na pajama pang homo ni mo? So, ano? Okay, so what sport, Messi? So I have here archery. Okay. Badminton common. Okay. Surfing, skateboarding, tennis, fencing. Oh, fencing is not common. Okay. Karate, volleyball, bowling, boxing, and curling. Okay, so what do you think? That is not familiar. Kung saan hindi ka uma. Tama. Ayan. Enggak ka uma. Okay, what happened,
Teacher,
Messi? Why you lost? Your
okay, my
internet is not
internet.
good? Okay, go. So let's continue. Wait me, ha. Hala. Wait me, Missy, ha. I didn't end this one. Ah, why it's 39 already? Oh, because I waited you for so long. Okay, wait me.
Okay.
Wait me, Messi. Okay, your internet maybe Messi is not good.
What?
Your
Yes.
internet today is not good. Okay, I will share again. Okay, so here, what sport which is familiar to you? Look up the different sports. We have different sports.
Yeah. What teacher?
Okay, which sports not familiar to you?
One. Yeah. One. We have team.
Okay, look at which one not familiar to you, not familiar. If you were gonna look at what sport not familiar to you.
One.
Oh, go na. Oh my gosh.
We have team.
We have, ouch. We have what? Okay. How about this one? Skating. Are you familiar with skating?
No.
Okay. So these are the different sports, Messi. So some of the sports is indoor, it means inside. Other sports are outside, or we can play outside. Okay, so here now, look at this one. Okay. So these are the different sports. Oh, can you see that one? So we have so many sports: basketball, baseball, rugby, wrestling, high jumping, gliding, okay, car racing, cycling, running, ball tennis, fishing, judo, climbing, billiards, okay, pool, shooting, horse riding, horseback, and football. Okay. So we have here. So these are the different. Okay. What do you think? I will ask questions. What do you think, Messi, is the advantage if you play sport? What do you think you can get if you play sports? What do you think? Example, you
What?
play football. What is the advantage if you play football? What do you think is the advantage? Do you think? How can it help you? If you play basketball, if you play football, how can it help you, Messi?
Us. Um.
Go, Messi, you can do it. You can? It can? What? Why it's... It can what?
Teacher.
It can. Oh, if you cannot speak, you write it.
Enhance health.
It can enhance.
Enhance health.
It can. Okay, very good. It can enhance your health. And it can boost your body. Okay. Your body, you will grow, okay, strong and healthy. Of course. Okay, let me see your body, B. Are you have strong body? Do you have strong body, Messi? Okay. Let me see your body. Do you have muscles? Do you have muscles? Oh, wow. Okay. What is your weight or your kilogram? 43 kilogram, 50? Oh, are you 50 kilogram?
50. No.
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 Oh, wow, it's very heavy,
It's
teacher Ann.
40.
40. Are you tall or short? Are you tall or short?
It's short.
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 Okay, because you're still 8 years old. Okay, here now. Okay. So here, Messi, we have the team sports and individual sports. So team sport, it means you will gonna have this with friends, with a group. Okay, that is what we call as team sports. So many. Okay, so team sports, it means you are many. Okay, there are a lot of people in the group. Okay, so it's many in the group. There are a lot of people in the group. So we call it as team sports. Okay. Okay, so this one. Now, let us talk about football match that you saw. Okay, please look at the pictures. Look at the pictures, huh? Look at the pictures and please tell me about the football match that you saw. Please look at the pictures and tell me about the football match that you saw. Tell me about the football match.
The votes about these are
Okay. Tell me about the football match that you saw in here. Okay, look at this one. What happened?
bitter one.
Mm-hmm.
The what's this?
Look at.
Bitter one. A footballer.
Yes, go.
I don't know.
Okay, look at na. No, just don't just describe all. Do not describe one by one. What do you think happened? Do you think the footballer happy? Do you think?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay. But look at this one. They are fighting, right? They're fighting with
Yes.
each other. Oh, and the footballer cry. Okay, can you see that one? Okay, the picture is not clear. Okay, I will ask questions. Okay, here we have here about the White House. Okay, Please study about the White House. Okay, this is about disco. Okay, please look at that one and then study.
Answer in the chat box.
Yeah, you can answer in the chat box if you want. Let me see. Okay, do you have the answer now? Sorry. Teko, biri na.
Bisa magiging sukukupuan sa bukan.
Ah,
Asa yung cover na ano ma?
ano lang. Uy,
Pares. Unsa? Dili. Dili ka ka na kung katapigdanan, kaberan. Asa may kuan ma? Kapon ni kuan ba ito?
Why there's two?
Laki man, isa kay ba ito?
Ayan. Ayan.
Oo, kuan. Kana,
After 3 months pa na.
oh, after 3 months.
Oh.
Injection na ni mo. Kuan na Jero.
Yun,
Kuan
yun,
pa una, parbo. Para anti-rabies.
Parbo, tulo na kaparbuhan. Tulo ka parbo. Parbo, di worm.
Oo.
Tulo ka parbuhan. Tulo ka parbo. Tag 400 at parbo. Hindi na parbo.
Dang, 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 dang. Di man mailahat.
Oh,
Wala,
katawa
dito
siya.
pa po pa.
Okay, look at me. Can you see this one? Ching,
Yes.
ching. Ching. It's the puppy. The very cute puppy. Yeah, it's a cute baby. New baby. Ah.
Check, check. Check, check, check.
Gutang. Oh, kudit. Kudit.
Ay, oo.
Ma'am Roscoe, ang tulo ma. Oh, ang tulo. Uy, kaadyo.
Kakapi ni Pupit.
Ang isa, ang puti kay Roscoe to, no? Kasi mo, dahil mo, di pa inom mo ka, tapos puton, dahil.
Kung naarap, ito kay ba? Kasi kung hindi ka on
Uy, mga dyan kay tutuyan, mga nasa kadlawon, ma. Nagay gatas, big, ganun wait, sige. Kay tutuyan, mga na siya.
niya.
Okay.
Anak. Tapos ko, panday.
Sure.
Okay, so we have here number 1. Okay. So, every evening, okay, what time is the disco? Okay, it is Tuesday. What is the music? It is rock music. Very good. And then, what clothes do you will wear? You will gonna wear what? Jeans or t-shirt. And how about the student ticket? Okay, sorry ha. Student ticket. It is. What's the student ticket? Your answer here is no jeans. Student ticket, it is 6. Okay. $5. The student ticket is £5. Very good, correct. And when to begin? When you will gonna begin on? Okay, it is very good. It's 9 p.m. M. Okay, great job. Okay, this one. Okay, so please try to answer that one.
Hay sana. Dahil ko bilhin na dahil. Air. Okay na. Rata dito siguro dahil ka po. Nasa gawa. Hindi, dahil ito dito pa niya. Asa ko dahil nasa bagay. Abong. Abong. Ting.
Okay, done? Not yet?
Nah. Medyo kanila ka man.
Ikaw ba is Okay, so we have here the answer for number one. Sorry. The answer for number one. Let us check your answer. Number one is bicycle. What to win in the painting competition? It is the Messi. It is the bicycle. You can win bicycle. Okay, another is, okay, what to paint? A picture of an animal. Okay, where is it? Yeah, you can see in here. It's a, what animal, Messi? It's a,
Cat.
the cat. Okay, next. For everybody, is it for everybody? No, it is only for 8 to 16 years old. And what is the competition address? Hey, yeah, ingat na sa ingat sa tiyan. What is the competition address? It is competition address. It is the
It is
high
Trail Hastings.
12 High Street. Very good. And last one. Okay. What is the last day? Okay, last day of the painting competition. It is before 14 of what month? What's month? Messi, month. Month.
Before September.
Okay, September 14. That's before September 14. Okay, very good, Messi. Okay, so Messi, teacher, and don't have enough time. So I will see you on Friday. Okay, Messi? Okay, yay. Great job, Messi. See you on Friday. I will message Caroline for her class tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.